Chainlink partnered with Cardano, and how ADA will reach $10. Cardano news today. At the 2021 Cardano Summit, Cardano announced a partnership with Chainlink aimed at providing extra support for developers building smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain by integrating oracles. Today, we're going to talk all about the Chainlink partnership with Cardano and how this integration is helping Cardano in Africa. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 20th of January, shall we? The crypto market is a sea of red again, with recent outperformers like programmable blockchain Cardano's ADA token leading major lower. At press time, ADA was trading near $1.36, a 10.6% fall in the last 24 hours. Scaling solution to Polygon's Matic token fell 6%, even as the network implemented fee-burning mechanism, which will destroy Matic tokens, making its supply deflationary. Solana's token, Binance's token, and Ether each fell over 2%, while Bitcoin traded 1% lower, near $41,200, according to CoinDesk data. ADA's decline appears typical of a correction often seen after a notable price rally. The token jumped nearly 60% to $1.64 earlier this month, outperforming Bitcoin as the impending launch of SundaySwap, the first decentralized finance exchange on the Cardano blockchain, revved up investor interest in the cryptocurrency. Pseudonymous Twitter-based ADA whale said that some of the reasons for ADA's recent bullish momentum was popular trader Kobe tweeting about buying ADA at 1.2 and Cardano winning Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin's Twitter poll asking the community which blockchain would be a suitable alternative to Ethereum. Now let's get back to the topic. The integration of these oracles on the Cardano blockchain will allow development teams on the Cardano blockchain to supply institutional-grade data provided by Chainlink into their smart contracts. The oracles will support market price feeds first, and after this, the support for other Chainlink decentralized services will follow. They include sports data for prediction markets, weather data for parametric insurance products, and verifiable randomness for gaming and digital collectibles such as non-fungible tokens. A blog post written by Tim Harrison, the marketing and communications director of IOHK, stated that access to real-world databases will be supplied through Chainlink's decentralized oracle networks, which provide tamper-proof, high-quality external data to blockchains, enabling smart contracts to execute around datasets such as election results, sports stats, and cryptocurrency rates. Harrison said Chainlink provides oracle services to power hybrid smart contracts on any blockchain. Chainlink oracle networks enable smart contracts to reliably connect to any external API, leveraging secure off-chain computations for feature-rich applications. The collaboration between Cardano and Chainlink is said to give access to a wealth of secure data, helping DeFi achieve its promise of building a less costly and more inclusive global economic system. What they are saying. Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of IOHK, had this to say about the announcement. Oracles are essential to making real-world data accessible on Cardano, and they support advanced smart contracts such as DeFi applications. IOHK is committed to providing developers with the most secure and robust tooling for building useful solutions on Cardano, making it an easy choice to integrate Chainlink's market-leading Oracle solution. He further added, not only will integrating Chainlink price feeds reduce the go-to market time for Cardano developers, but it will establish a secure foundation for Cardano's DeFi ecosystem, helping make Cardano more trusted by users around the world. Sergey Nazarov, co-founder of Chainlink, stated, "We are excited to leverage our extensive experience and expertise by establishing native support for Chainlink on the Cardano blockchain and supporting its next stage of growth into markets like DeFi and beyond." Similar to programming interfaces in web app development, developers building DeFi applications on Cardano will be able to plug and play Chainlink price feeds into their smart contracts to quickly gain access to high-quality, real-time price data on a wide range of assets, while still maintaining robust security and uptime. Ultimately, this will empower developers on Cardano to build next-generation applications quicker and more securely. Nikki Aryasinghe, head of blockchain partnerships at Chainlink Labs, stated, "We have a tremendous amount of respect for the Cardano ecosystem, obviously for the technical team behind Cardano, IOG, and so on, but also for the collaborative nature of the community as well. There's a tremendous amount of respect between the Chainlink and Cardano ecosystems. Cross-chain interoperability is another longer-term goal. This is really a framework for enabling bridges between different chains and enabling a multi-chain world. Charles Hoskinson, founder of IOHK, the foundation behind Cardano, has also stated that he will build a financial operating system in Q2 2022 that will give Africans access to DeFi services such as loans. He disclosed this while speaking on Cardano's plan for the year 2022 and achievements of the past via a live Christmas broadcast on YouTube. Hoskinson reflected on the growth of Cardano and the entire crypto industry. He mentioned the non-fungible token revolution, the decentralized finance boom, and how hackers are targeting DeFi projects, leading to a loss of over $10.5 billion in 2021 alone. He stated that 2 million assets have been issued on Cardano, most of it being NFTs. He added that more than 127 projects are currently writing code to build decentralized applications on the network, with about 20 to 30 in the pipeline to launch within the next 3 months. He stated that Cardano's goal has always included Africa, and the project plans to increase its influence in the continent next year. Due to the fact that many African countries still lack financial inclusion, Hoskinson announced that the Cardano Foundation plans to build a financial operating system in Q2 2022 that will provide Africans with DeFi services. He said, "My goal for the second half of 2022 is to figure out how to put all the pieces together to get an end-to-end microfinance transaction on Cardano, so that a real person in Kenya or somewhere with a blockchain-based identity and credit score, stablecoin on the other side, Cardano is the settlement rail. Peer-to-peer, person-to-person, click a button, loan goes to them. They pay it back, and it goes to the other side." With emphasis on Africa, the Cardano Foundation is working to modernize and bring balance and equality to the world. Cardano signed a partnership agreement with Tanzania earlier this year to provide residents with social, digital identity, and financial empowerment. IOHK joined with the European Business University of Luxembourg in August to expand educational opportunities for students in African countries. Cardano's founder reiterated the project's long-term ambition, noting that the project now has all of the required technology and resources to achieve those goals. Developers are also working on Cardano improvement proposals, a set of community-governed network enhancements that are slated to go live in 2022. Hoskinson said, "Some of these include human-readable information for assets issued on Cardano and a native web wallet for interacting with DeFi protocols." Hoskinson said a recent testnet rollout would improve the network. Peer-to-peer is currently being tested with the stake pool operators on the testnet, and there's lots of stuff happening there. The peer-to-peer framework aims to make the network more decentralized, with 11 operators initially serving as test subjects on a semi-public testnet. A testnet is a blockchain that runs on the same software as a mainnet, allowing developers to test out features and applications before they go live in the real world. When testing is complete, network validators would be able to communicate directly with each other to process block data instead of relying partly on nodes set up by IOG, a process the development firm says could help aid in creating a more decentralized network. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!